Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will explain you how to use one of the most important tools in our university, and this is AppUniSabana. This app, available in iOS and Android, allows students and staff go to the university campus by controlling the amount of people who enter to the facility having fulfilled all the biosafety protocols. To start, you have to download the app in the App Store for iOS or in the Play Store for Android. Then go to the app and log in using your credentials. Keep in mind that your username is the first part of your institutional email without the @unisabana.edu.co, and your password is the same of your email or SIGA system. In case you have issues with your credentials, you can go to the university website and look for the correo electrónico link in the Enlaces Rápidos section that is located in the top bar. Also, you can contact the IT department to solve the problem. When you enter to the home page of the application, you will find the next information. First, tu carnet or your ID. In this section, you will have a digital ID for entering the campus. This card includes a photograph of you, your institutional ID code, your full name, your career, and a QR code that will allow you to enter or not to the campus. To know if you can personally attend the university, you have to tap on the QR code and look at the validation state. Second, datos de contacto or contact info. Here you have to fill in the sections with your information in order to complete the biosecurity protocols. Third, tu condición or your condition. This is one of the most important sections in the app. Here you have to fill in a survey that will determine if you will be allowed to go to the campus or not. First, you must authorize the university of full usage of the information that you share. Then, complete the survey and send the answers. Before you complete this short survey, you can go back to your ID section and look again to your QR code and find if you are able to go or not to the campus. But remember, you have to complete the short survey every day you want to go to the campus. Fourth, transporte or transport. This is another section in which you have to complete a short survey about the method or transportation that you use to arrive or leave the campus. In case you want to know the routes of the bus or train that La Sabana have, you can take a look by typing in the first text. 5. Pico y Campus. This is another crucial section in which you will find the exact available dates for you to go to the campus. It is important you check this every time you want to personally attend a class. 6. Service Desk. Now, in this part, you have the possibility to share an issue that you present with the application or with another digital system of the university. Finally, if you want to log out in the app, tap in Salir and you're done. That's it. I hope this video helped you to understand the basic functions of this new digital tool that is very important to keep you and your classmates safe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.